All right, folks, so today we're taking a look at a way you can get paid just walking around and exploring, doing whatever you want to do through the day. All right, let's check this out. But first, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of any new videos I have coming out. I make videos about making money online. I upload very frequently. Also, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. There's a link in the video description below. There, you get a free membership. You don't need a credit card to sign up. You get 2 free websites. You get free training, a bunch of stuff. I'll connect with you inside there as well. Again, you don't even need a credit card or anything to sign up. Just put your email address in, sign up, and you're good to go. All right, so folks, let's take a look at this. Getting paid to walk around, exploring, doing exercise, doing whatever you do, even meditate, and just being healthy in general, folks. So there's a website, an app called Achievement. There's a link in the video description below as well. It is a referral link, because you get points for referring friends as well. Up to 20 friends you can refer, and you get points for that as well. So the first 20 of you to sign up with my link, thank you very much, and thank you very much just in general as well. But anyways, so this is an app. It's on Android and Apple. It's 4.7 rating on the Apple Store, 4.5 out of 5 on the Google Store, Android, whatever you call it. So basically, folks, you want to come here, sign up on the website. And you just get points and stuff like that for these syncs to your health apps that you have on your phone. Like I just synced it up to like Map My Run and my Apple app, and you get points for surveys and stuff as well. And then you earn money, redeems points for cash or charities. Earn $10 for every 10,000 points. Redeemable with PayPal, direct deposit, bank account. Donate directly to charities if you want as well. So pretty cool, yes indeed. Obviously you're not going to get super rich doing this. Let's see, participating in cutting edge research. So you can take surveys and stuff and get points. I just signed up not too long ago. I already got 400 some points in my account. And because it syncs some dates that I have walking around on my Apple phone that I've been walking around. I use my run here. It's springtime coming up in New York. I bike ride a lot, so I will get points for all this stuff. So, you know, even if you're just walking around or doing whatever, you know, also, you know, it syncs to like meditation apps and all your health kind of apps. Look, complete survey, meditation for 15 minutes, get some points, logged some food. There's just different things. Posted a tweet, you get 6 points. So, really cool, folks. Let me log in real quick to my account. So yeah, then you get more points for referring friends. Right, like I said, I have 400 some points already. Here's some of my activity. I completed a survey, I got 50 points. Clicked on an article, I read an article, I got 5 points. I clicked on another article, I got 5 points. I did another survey, 200 points. I walked close to 4,000 steps for 10 points. You know, that was tomorrow. I don't know how it's tomorrow because it's probably a different time zone. I worked tomorrow already. It knows how much I'm going to walk tomorrow. It's that smart. Obviously, just kidding there. It's different time zones, so it's just showing tomorrow. So these are some of the different steps I walked in different days. This was just stuff that was already on my phone when I synced the app. It just kind of went in there. And like I said again, you get 10,000 points, you get $10. Obviously, you're not going to be super rich, but you can make extra money for stuff you're doing anyways. I mean, think about how many times you just go walking around. If you have your phone on you, my Apple phone, my iPhone is keep track of where I walk anyways. Plus, I have my other health apps and stuff on there. So pretty cool, folks. You're definitely going to check it out. Free money, why not? But if you really want to make money online, serious money online, passive income while you're sleeping, all that kind of stuff, check out my #1 recommendation down below. There's a link in the description below. And like I said, you get a free membership. You don't need a credit card to sign up, folks. If you want to go for the full deal, the full membership, yes, then you'll need a credit card. But for the free membership, you get so much with the free membership. Free training, free websites, and then you can just explore there and see if you want to stick around and get the full deal. And if you do, that is awesome. If you don't, that's cool too. But at least it's there for you to check out. So anyways, folks, that is all for now. Check this out. I will talk to you soon.